In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize text formatting in Google Vids. Starting off, let's address why you might want to customize text formatting in the first place. Whether you're creating a tutorial, a presentation, or any video content, text plays a critical role in conveying your message clearly and emphatically. Google Vids offers a plethora of formatting options to help you highlight, emphasize, and differentiate your text, making your content more engaging and professional looking. First things first, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of text customization, you'll need to navigate to Google Vids. If you haven't already, open your favorite web browser and type in the address for Google Vids. This will take you to the primary landing page where all the magic begins. Upon arriving at Google Vids, your next move is to sign in. Simply click on the Sign In button prominently displayed on the screen. If you're already signed into your Google account in the browser, the process will be seamless, but otherwise, Google will prompt you to choose the Google account you'd like to use for Google Vids. Pick the account you wish to use, ensuring it's the one where your desired video project is saved, or where you plan to start a new project. Now that you're logged in, it's time to select your project from the Google Vids dashboard. Find the video you want to work on and open it. With your project open, you'll likely have a mix of video clips, images, and perhaps pre-existing text. Let's get to the core of today's tutorial, customizing your text. Hover over and click on the text element within your video that you wish to customize. This action will make the text box active and reveal additional options specifically related to text editing. Next, look for the Format button in the editing toolbar. Clicking on it is akin to unlocking a treasure trove of formatting options, from font sizes and styles to alignment and colors. However, our journey doesn't stop here. To further refine your options and truly tailor your text to your needs, you need to click on the Format options. Upon selecting Format options, a side panel will emerge laden with tools for you to experiment with. You can adjust the font size to make the text stand out or subdue it depending on its role in your video. Don't hesitate to play around with different font styles and weights to see what complements your video's visual aesthetics best. Beyond the sheer appearance, the positioning of your text matters too. The Format Options panel allows you to align your text in the frame, giving you the ability to place it exactly where it will capture the viewer's attention without obscuring important parts of the video. Whether you're going for a centered, left justified, or right justified look, alignment can dramatically affect the readability and impact of your text. Feel free to experiment with colors as well. A well-chosen text color can make your message pop against the background or contribute to the overall mood of the video. Remember, the goal is to enhance readability and ensure that your message is effectively communicated. Also, within the Format options, you'll find the ability to add a background or outline to your text, offering yet another layer of customization. This can be particularly useful for ensuring text contrast against varied backgrounds, ensuring that no matter the video scene, your text remains legible. In essence, customizing text in Google Vids is about finding the right balance between aesthetics and functionality. Through thoughtful adjustments to your text size, style, alignment, and color, you enhance your video content's clarity and engagement. Remember, every element of your video, including text, plays a critical role in storytelling and should be fine-tuned to support your message. Don't rush through this process. Take your time to review the changes and see how they mesh with your video's overall look and feel. The beauty of Google Vids and its text formatting options is in the flexibility and creativity they offer. Enjoy the process and don't be afraid to try out different combinations until you find the perfect fit for your video. That wraps up our tutorial on customizing text formatting in Google Vids. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating more polished, professional-looking video content that captures your audience's attention and communicates your message effectively. Go ahead, give your text the treatment it deserves, and take your video projects to the next level. Happy editing!